Okay, so let's talk about a huge dilemma every business is facing right now. We have this amazingly powerful AI that can just pull incredible insights out of our data. But to use it, you're almost always told to send your most sensitive, private information up to the cloud. It's this classic tug-of-war, right? Power versus privacy. But what if there was a better way?
I mean, of course you do. Who doesn't? Every single modern business is hunting for that edge. The power to instantly analyze reports, to search through years of archives, and to get actually intelligent answers from your own internal data. The potential here is just massive. And right on cue, here's the catch. It's a big one. The moment you even think about uploading company contracts, financial records, or private customer data to some third-party service, the alarm bell starts screaming. You're suddenly worried about security risks, who actually owns the data, and trying to navigate the absolute minefield of regulations like GDPR. For most people, that's a hard stop, a total non-starter.
Until now, the choice has been pretty black and white. You go with cloud AI, and your data gets shipped off to third parties, you're getting hit with unpredictable API fees for every single question you ask, and you're left to worry about GDPR. LOKIDocs just completely flips that script. Your data never, ever leaves your PC. It's a single, one-time fee, and GDPR, it's compliant by its very nature because nothing ever gets sent out in the first place.
This shift in thinking, it opens the door to something that feels kind of radical these days, a truly private solution, one that doesn't force you into that impossible choice between using AI and protecting your data.
And here it is. This is the core idea. It's so simple, but it changes absolutely everything. Instead of sending all your sensitive documents out into the world to be analyzed by some giant AI in the cloud, what if a powerful, compact AI could come directly to your data, running safely and securely right there on your own computer?
This approach delivers on some promises that are, frankly, huge. We're talking about a 100% offline on-device AI. That means your privacy isn't just a feature, it's guaranteed. It's GDPR compliant by design. And because nothing's going to the cloud, those API costs you're always worried about, they're gone, zero, forever.
So I know this sounds great in theory, but you're probably wondering, how does it actually work? How can you possibly run powerful AI locally? Let's break down the tech behind it. It's actually pretty cool.
The magic behind this whole thing is a technology called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or just RAG for short. And believe me, it is a game changer. So instead of the AI just kind of guessing based on its old generic training data, RAG is way smarter. It works in two steps. First, it intelligently retrieves, it finds, the specific relevant facts right from your documents. Then, and only then, does it generate a precise answer based only on that information it just found. It's factual, it's contextual, and it's all grounded in your own truth.
And getting started with this is, well, it's incredibly straightforward. You download and install the app on your Windows PC, you point it to the folder where your documents are, pick an AI model you want to use, and that's it. You just start asking questions. No complex server setups, no IT wizardry needed.
Okay, so we've got the privacy part down. Check. We've got the simplicity. Check. But what about the power? What can this thing actually do, all while staying completely offline? Let's take a look. Right off the bat, this is not just for your basic text files. The whole goal here is to give you a single place to talk to your entire knowledge base, no matter what format that knowledge is stored in. And the range of what it can handle is really impressive. It covers all the usual suspects you'd expect, PDFs, Word documents, you name it, but it also dives into spreadsheets like Excel and CSVs, and then it goes even further, into images and even video and audio files.
And this right here is where you really see just how advanced local AI has become. It uses what are called multimodal models. These are specialized AIs like Qwen and Moondream 2 that let you ask questions about the actual content of an image, get a summary of a video, or transcribe audio, all without a single byte of data ever leaving your machine. It's kind of wild.
You also get complete flexibility. You can just download and use the powerful optimized models that are ready to go right inside the app. And we're talking about the heavy hitters here, like Llama 3.2 and Microsoft's Phi 3. Or if you're a power user and you already run your own models locally with a tool like Llama, LOKIDocs integrates with them seamlessly. You get to choose. Now, a question I hear all the time is, okay, do I need a supercomputer for this? And the answer is a definite no. LOKIDocs is built with a CPU-first design, which is really just a fancy way of saying it's optimized to run on a standard business computer. As long as you have enough RAM, you're good to go. A dedicated graphics card is totally optional. It'll make things faster, for sure, but it is not required. The main point here is accessibility. And that brings us to the final piece of this puzzle, the business model. Because honestly, how you pay for a tool says a whole lot about its philosophy. In today's world of endless SaaS subscriptions, this number is basically a statement. There are exactly 0 monthly fees. You are not renting your software, you are buying a tool that you own. The model is super transparent and simple. There's a free trial that lets you run 5 queries so you can evaluate everything on your own system. When you're ready, it's a single one-time purchase for an unlimited license. That license gets you unlimited queries and includes a full year of updates and support. It's predictable, it's fair, and it's really easy to budget for. Ultimately, everything we've talked about comes back to this one core guarantee. This is the promise that holds it all together. Your corporate data remains completely on your systems. No telemetry, no cloud transfers. That's an absolute commitment to your privacy and your ownership of your own data.
And that really leaves us with this final thought. In the age of AI, you shouldn't have to sacrifice ownership of your data just to access powerful tools. The future is local. It's about having your data and your AI.